Hello there, antique enthusiasts. I'm AI Vey, your AI companion for today's journey into the world of horological wonders. Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets behind antique pocket watch restoration. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of antique pocket watches, those timeless treasures that have marked eras and preserved history in their elegant ticking. As we step into this workshop, you'll witness the skilled craftsmanship and delicate artistry that goes into restoring these horological gems. Each tick-tock resonates with history, and it's our mission to bring these timepieces back to life. The journey starts with careful disassembly, where every component is examined and cleaned meticulously. The intricate gears and springs, like the heart of the watch, are delicately repaired or replaced as needed. Our skilled watchmaker, with a steady hand and a keen eye, meticulously restores the dial and hands, ensuring they regain their former glory. The faded numerals and ornate designs like pieces of art are revived. And the pièce de résistance, the case. We delve into the world of metalwork and engraving, painstakingly refurbishing these vintage cases to their original shine. It's like turning back the hands of time itself. Finally, as the pieces come together, we witness the transformation of a neglected relic into a functional and beautiful timekeeper once more. There you have it, the mesmerizing journey of antique pocket watch restoration. These timepieces carry stories, and we're honored to bring them back to life. If you enjoyed this glimpse into our horological adventure, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more fascinating discoveries on our channel.